Hey guys, checking in now, starting out this video. If I don't do it now, I know I'm gonna forget. So here's my, this is my chance to get this thing rolling. So I wanted to document this first week of like back to school. It is my in-service week, so I'm not teaching yet. We don't have kids coming in yet, but this is that first week of trainings and stuff like that. So I thought I would just document the days and how things go, how I'm feeling. I got home about an hour ago, walked my puppy, and then now I'm about to do my Monday workout, shower, dinner, and I have homework to do that I was supposed to do earlier, but I did not. So a few things to do, but I just wanted to open up this video, going to do like a vlog style, and just, I think it's so beneficial for me to kind of reflect or to document this so that I can reflect on how I'm feeling and then just see the progress I make. So after this first day of training, I feel excited. I do have some anxious thoughts creeping in and letting myself feel a little overwhelmed too, just because it's a new year and always a little rocky to start. I know it's gonna be okay and work out, but after today, I am feeling pretty tired. Overall, excited for what's to come and really thankful to be home now. I think it's going to be a great year. So I don't know how much I'll document the rest of the night. I'm going to try to document more of maybe my morning, and then do a little reflection after school as well tomorrow. I don't think I'm going to film it all at school. That's just not, but all right, just wanted to check in and start out this video, gonna get this workout in, and I'll see you tomorrow probably. Hey guys, good morning. Wow, this lighting is impeccable. Very warm, but that's okay. Putting my side lamp to use. This video, I'm supposed to be, or I've wanted to just kind of document this first week of back to school, and it's not quite back to school yet. My kids haven't come in to the building yet. That's coming up in a later week, but this is just like our training week for teachers getting back into the building and stuff like that. So I filmed like a snippet on Monday just to introduce the video. It's actually a couple days later because the days have just been long, and then the second I get home, I have a whole separate after work routine. Get home, unpack, walk the doggy, do my workout, shower, eat, hang out, or just like take a breather, watch something with my husband, and then we go to bed. So I haven't had much to document, and but now I do. I just wanted to chat a little bit. So I actually have a later start to the day because we do have our open house tonight, so we are able to go in a little bit later. So our start time is pushed back because we'll be staying late, if that makes sense. I could go in as early as I wanted, but I figured I'm going to take this morning to take care of some of the things I won't be able to do this afternoon. So instead of doing my workout after school, since I'll be there late, I'm going to do it this morning, just because I know I'll appreciate that I did that. I'm sipping coffee. I'm actually editing the video that actually needs to go up today, so taking care of that. Come like 7, which is in like half an hour, I'm gonna have some breakfast so that I can get my exercise in, and then shower and do anything else I need to do before heading into work. Oh yeah, I need to prep something to eat for dinner tonight at school, and then prep the rest of my lunches for the rest of the week. All right, so going back into this school year, I've been feeling a little, there's always that like anxious feeling, just the unknown. Like, I'm working with new kids this year, there's new staff. I'm really focusing this year on how just really embracing the fact that it's a new year, it's a fresh start. And I've been thinking of words that I'm feeling going into this school year, and just being honest with myself. And this is actually something our principal had us do, which is cool. I appreciate this, that she had us think of three words that we're feeling. So I said that I was feeling refreshed, grateful, and a little bit unsettled. So this is year 5 for me, which looking back, I feel like, how like how I feel like I've been teaching for like a year. And that's probably because we haven't had very normal school years. But I'm just remembering that, okay, maybe there were some things I implemented last year or systems I had in place that did not work. Like, this is my opportunity to just start fresh and also just not be afraid to try different things. I think you know this by now, but I'm a special education teacher. I teach small groups. I don't have a large classroom of students. I'm not a classroom teacher, so my job consists of teaching a lot of small groups, one-on-one interventions. It is a lot of collaborating and teamwork, and it's a lot of work throughout my day with adults and a lot with children. It can be very taxing, very draining, but again, I am so grateful. I'm so grateful that I can call this my job, and it's a new year, fresh start. So today, as I sit here, I don't feel this like rush of anxiety, which I'm grateful for. And I think that just comes with having that experience behind me now, even though it doesn't feel like I've taught for 4 years and this is my 5th year. I can really feel it in moments like this that like, okay, I don't have to freak out. I kind of know what to expect. I know that things are going to come together with time and it's going to be okay. It's going to be okay. So I definitely don't have those like first day jitter, whatever right now. I'm sure it'll come to me when the students are in the building, but overall feeling really excited for this year and that like this is just going to be a really good year. I'm going to finish up editing. I'm sipping coffee. Let me know in the comments, when do you break out? When is it really time for those fall beverages? I went ahead and bought a pumpkin spice creamer. I haven't opened it yet because I haven't used the rest of my old stuff, but I might, we'll see. Maybe in my other cup, I will dabble into my pumpkin spice. But let me know, have you broke out the pumpkin spice flavors, fall flavors? Have you ordered one from Starbucks or your favorite coffee shop? Let me know. All right, finished editing, eat something. I need to do my workout and then shower, and then I might just get ready and then save prepping my meals for the last thing I do, because yeah, I think that's going to be smart because I want it to be as fresh as possible, if that makes sense. So, and then I'll share with you anything else I do today, and then I'm back for more training tomorrow, and then I have Friday off. So maybe I'll just turn this into a vlog, and even I'll try to touch base with you how I'm feeling and how things are going with this back to school stuff, but I'll just tie in the rest of my like lifestyle stuff too, and we'll call it a vlog. So back to editing. I'll check in a little later. So I just showed you I had a little, like, it felt like breakfast because I think it's like 10 o'clock almost, and I feel like I'm gonna be having just like a few snacks throughout the day, and then I'm going to be eating dinner at school because we have open house, and I'm gonna eat for dinner what I typically eat for lunch. So that has just been a salad. It's been easy for this first week, and hopefully something I can carry into the rest of the school year. But then I'm working on finding one more like to go or easy lunch idea. I'm gonna start getting ready though, because I need to be ready and changed before I prep all this food, and then I need time to prep the food because once it's prepped, it's gonna be time to head to school. So I gotta get up and get. So I have shared myself getting ready so many times in the past. I feel like pretty recently. So I'll put a card for a get ready with me. I'm following pretty much that same routine. I have incorporated though a couple of new products. I was really trying to target my under eye, and if you've watched my other Get Ready With Me's, you know that I was looking for a new foundation to try out. So I'm still trying a couple products. I might give you a little review, but so far I have been loving them. And my brother was actually the one to recommend these. So I've been using this Pixie by Petra, this correcting concentrate, and I think the color is brightening peach. It's just like this little pot, and it has really helped my under eyes for sure. And then I was looking for not necessarily a drugstore foundation, but not necessarily high end. I just wanted something that would work. I wanted full coverage. I've used this in the past, but my brother made me remember this Milani Conceal and Perfect. If you can find your right shade, like, it's totally worth it. My bro helped me figure out. So I'm in Creamy Natural. I will show you how about in a different video using these two products just to show you how great they are. But like I said, I want to keep trying them and like really be sure that I like them. But so far so good. And I think this is gonna be my little saving grace for the school year to cover up all this. So I'll check in when I'm on to probably prepping my lunch.